To connect a hard drive to your Xfinity router, you will need a few pieces of equipment, including the hard drive, an Ethernet cable, and the Xfinity router itself. Start by ensuring your Xfinity router is powered on and functioning properly. Next, locate the USB port on your Xfinity router, as this is where you will connect your hard drive. If your hard drive does not have a built-in USB connection, you may need to use a USB enclosure or adapter to connect it to the router. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the router and the other end to your computer or device. Open a web browser on your device and navigate to the Xfinity router's web interface, which is typically accessed by typing the router's IP address in the address bar. The IP address can usually be found in the router's manual or on the underside of the device. Once you have accessed the web interface, look for the USB settings or storage settings section. This is where you will configure the router to recognize and connect to the hard drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable USB storage and set up the hard drive. You may need to format the hard drive or set a password to access the storage. Be careful when formatting the hard drive, as this will erase all data on the device. Once you have completed the setup process, you should be able to access the hard drive from any device connected to the Xfinity router's network. To ensure a stable connection, place the hard drive in a well-ventilated area and keep it away from direct sunlight or moisture. It is also a good idea to set up a backup schedule to protect your data in case the hard drive fails or is damaged. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully connect a hard drive to your Xfinity router and use it to store and share files across your network. Remember to always follow best practices for data security and backup to protect your important files.